All right, we're good. So, did you have any trouble with this week's homework?
Uh, no, no. I think it was pretty self-explanatory.
Mm.
The only thing that we didn't do was the quantitative data. We only do like categorical data. So I think so. I think so.
Okay, yeah. So I was going through it too, and it seemed because I was reading the announcements and it was talking about how this week is usually the easier as
Yeah.
you go along. But and then so then I went through this the work and it was pretty easy compared to the past couple weeks. So
Yeah, definitely.
so it was
Definitely.
nice to get a little break.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you
So
didn't have it. You didn't have any troubles then?
no, I don't think so. I
Yeah.
should be good.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
I went through the quizzes and I did really good. So
oh, okay,
uh,
that's good.
yeah, that's how I kind of judge what I know.
Yeah, me too. Me too. I got like I think like an 80 on the quiz. Yeah. So yeah, I think
All
that's
right.
pretty good.
Yeah, and then so with the project, were you able to look at it?
Yeah, yeah. I have it right now
Oh,
on
okay.
my monitor. Yeah. So there's five parts. Well, four
Hmm.
parts. I don't know if you want to do like work on it, like half and half through all of it, or do like one each.
Yeah, so yeah, I was looking through it too, and we have to decide what we're going to do.
Yeah.
That's what we'll obviously do together, but um, but then as we go through it, we have to do different things. Like we're supposed to each take a thing that we're supposed to do,
Yeah.
and so maybe we can just split it by like every other one, or we can go through and
Uh-huh.
see which one might be a better strength for whoever. And
Okay. I can do the PowerPoint presentation because that's pretty easy for me.
okay,
So I'm putting my name down for that. Do you have like an idea for the study?
yeah. Let me just get to the instructions real quick,
Yeah.
because I had everything, but then I had to restart my computer, so everything
Oh, sucks.
exited. So
How do you pronounce your name, dude?
hmm?
How do you pronounce your name?
Buckles,
What?
like a belt buckle, buckles.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Buckles?
yeah.
Okay. I didn't ask you the
Um,
first name, but it's fine.
so we're supposed to form a question, and I'm looking at the example questions, and do you like sports or anything?
Yeah, I like sports.
So you like
Uh,
March Madness?
no, I don't watch. I don't watch basketball.
Oh darn,
Oh yeah, dude. Sorry.
no, no problem. I'm trying to think. I was just trying to think of things we could do. What else is there?
Uh, we can do the Olympics since that just started.
Mm.
Like
Do
the
you like
Olympics.
soccer?
Yeah, it's sometimes. Sometimes. So yeah, I don't know. Because we have to do a question, a population, experimental unit, and a response variable.
Mm. Wait, so we're supposed to do all 19 of these questions by Saturday?
Yeah.
Oh crap! Oh, but
Oh
it's
no.
not. Oh, okay, never mind. Oh, so we're just supposed to go through. Okay, okay, it makes more sense. So we need to do the first thing we need to just do is come up with a question, then we can go through that later
Yeah, I think so.
before the end of the week. Hmm. Because I was thinking with March Madness coming up, we could
Yeah.
do something with that because that's a big thing. I just don't know when the final project is due
I think it's due.
because that ends like April 5th.
April 5th. Uh,
it's due week 13.
So that's the thing at the end of March.
Is it?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, no, because we're already week 13 is March 29th. Dang it, yeah.
Yeah. Hey, I was right.
Oh wait, no, wait, no, because it's March 7th and we're only in week 9.
March 7, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So let me see, dude.
So it's the first week of April then?
It
Yeah.
ends.
Yeah, I think it's the first week of April.
Yeah. Because it says PowerPoint presentation instructions, but it doesn't say final project due. Oh, okay, yeah. So it's due at the end of. I think it's due April 6th.
Yeah.
So I guess that probably wouldn't work because that's when it ends.
Yeah.
Did you have any ideas for it?
No, not really. I'm terrible with this. I was thinking maybe we can do like candy, maybe like see how much each, like the weight of it, if it's consistent, like with the chips, the bag of chips.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because it's mostly air, so I don't know. But it could mean like that could be a lot of work and money. So I don't know about that.
Yeah, because I'm looking through them. Some of them don't seem that hard, and then some of them seem kind of like you have to spend a lot of money and time.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think.
Where do you live?
In Minnesota.
Okay. Minnesota.
You live
We
in
can
Utah, right?
Yeah, we can
We,
do like weather.
yeah, that's what I was just about to say too.
Oh shoot, yeah, we can do weather. Like we're gonna record it for the month of March and then compare it.
We have to come up with like a question though. Like what a good question would be maybe like
Is it warmer in Minnesota than Rexburg?
no, I was thinking more like if who has the biggest changes per day to day basis. So like we
Oh
would
yeah.
start
Yeah.
like so we would start like let's say we started today and then we would go the next day who has the biggest jump. Like so if our temperature increased like 15 degrees and your temperature increased 10 degrees and
Yeah.
then so that's would say for that day we had the biggest jump and we see who has the more
Yeah,
like
that.
increase in temperature
Yeah,
per day
per
because
day,
then we
right?
can see like if your temperature steadily increases or if it like jumps around and then we can do the same for mine and then or we could do like just the easy one like who's warmer per day.
No, I think I like that one. It looks like it might be little bit more challenging, but I don't think it'll be pretty good.
Yeah.
We might get a better grade for that one. Maybe I'm not sure.
Yeah. And I'm
So
just
who
trying to
has?
think because I think the weather thing would be better
Yeah, that the second one,
or we could do like precipitation
precipitation.
like who has the most rainfall or slash snowfall in the month of March.
Oh yeah,
And so we just so that way it's like we don't really have to do anything until the end of March. We just have to like record like look up data as we go along.
yeah. Or we can do like for the next 2 weeks. So like will be March 11th through March 24.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know. I'll put that right there.
Yeah, we can see who has the we'd have to do like which city has the most
Yeah,
rainfall slash snowfall or precipitation, I guess would be the
and then
correct
we
term.
can for the mean population. We could do last year's thing.
Last year's
Yeah,
rainfall.
yeah,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We might have to do like all of March just to because it might be easier to look up last year's all of March than for look up
yeah,
data between 2 weeks.
yeah,
We have to turn it in anyway, so we can put in like our two ideas,
yeah.
and then that way we would he could just approve whichever one he thinks would work better.
Okay, yeah, sounds good.
Okay.
Sounds good. Okay, so I'm writing it
Um.
down.
Okay.
Okay, so the first one is who, which state? This is my roommate. Hold on. State has the biggest change in weather per day?
Yeah. After hearing that, though, probably just go with the rainfall one.
Yeah.
It's kind of like long-winded. The precipitation one's a lot easier.
Minnesota.
Yeah.
Should we do city or state?
We should just do a city because then it's like it's easier to compare.
Track. What city do you live in?
Redwood Falls.
Okay. Ah, I can write. And then the second one is who has the most precipitation or rain? Wait, no.
Rain or snowfall, so just put precipitation over that
Uh,
2-week period or month, huh?
over
From
the month.
March.
March.
And now you're saying that you don't believe it, and that I should just pretend like this didn't happen? No, yes, that is what you're saying, and it did happen. I want you to
Okay.
just get out. No!
Who would be the population? Or what would be the population? The temperature?
The population would be so our research question is which one has more precipitation.
Yeah.
So our population would be both the cities, right? It'd be Rexburg and my city.
Oh, okay.
I think so, right?
Yeah, I think it's for both, right? Too.
Yeah, because it's 2 populations.
What? Wait, hold on. Population. So would we compare the precipitation from last year as a population?
Do we even need to look at last year if we're just trying to see which one of us has the most rainfall?
I don't think so. Yeah, you're right. I don't think so. Okay. And it says, what is your experimental unit? In other words, what is the smallest entry for which you are collecting a single piece of data to be used for analysis? Do we have one?
I don't know. The smallest entity from church. Maybe we should study up on this and then come back tomorrow and then get all our answers together. Because now that we have our research question and our population, the other questions I just have to look up.
Look at my.
But that's gonna take a while. But we can come back and then we can just come back tomorrow and we can compare answers.
Yes, that sounds good. Sounds good.
We could just text them to each other.
Yeah,
so
I'm
go
done
through
with
it. Yeah, so we'll try to get them done tomorrow, so that way we can turn it in on Friday. Because it says he has to approve it, so we have to turn it in. So.
All right. Yeah, sounds good. And do we have to do all? Never mind. So So the first part is us two, right?
Hmm?
So the first part of the project is designing the study. So I guess it's us two.
Yeah. So let's also come up with other ideas just in case our idea gets turned down.
Okay. Yeah, sounds good.
And so if you come up with one, I'll come up with one, and if he turns it down, we'll already have all the answers ready for another idea. So.
Okay. Sounds good.
All right. Well, I'll talk to you tomorrow then.
All right. See you later.
All right. Bye.
Peace out.